Ano, kilig?
Good health na lang.
Good health.
Oh, good health? Bakit may sakit ba ako? Ayaw nga pala may sakit. Oh, go.
Ano? Ay,
I wish that you stay as kind as you are to
shut up,
everyone.
James.
Ay, wait lang. Kiray and James, nose to nose.
Nose to nose. Birthday wish muna.
Nose to nose.
No,
You have
Yun
to.
yung birthday wish na.
What was it?
Come on, Kiray, take one for the team.
Sige na.
Sige na.
Birthday mo
Sige na.
naman eh.
No,
Birthday mo
Wants
eh.
the nose to nose.
Sige
Magagalit
na.
si Papa P.
Sige lang.
Magagalit si Papa P.
Since birthday mo ngayon, kailangan pagbigyan lahat ng
Oo
inuutos
nga.
na.
Sige na. Isang beses lang. Nose to nose.
O, dali
Sige
na.
na.
Birthday wish.
Do it, bro.
Come on,
Nose to
James.
nose. Nose to nose.
Nose to nose. Nose to nose.
O, kayo na ho.
Nose.
Kayo na ho.
Go na,
Sige na,
Kiray.
isa lang. Birthday mo naman.
Susigaw pa, Kiray.
Hindi,
Susi ka pa.
sobrang kuya.
Kuya na lang.
Sobrang kuya ko talaga.
Sige lang, okay lang. Pwede naman mag-nose to nose ang magkuya eh.
Hindi kaya,
Go
masagwa
lang.
yun.
Go lang. Take one for the team,
Sibling kami,
Kiray.
sibling. Thank you. Oh, go, Ate Kyra.
Stay pretty. Yun lang.
Stay kulot. At, badaan ngayon.
Speaking of pretty, ito na
Speaking
ang
of hot.
pinakamaganda sa lahat. Shasha Padilla is in the house.
Hey, guys. What's this?
Ma'am Shasha. Ma'am Shasha, one birthday message for Kiray.
Ang sweet mo. Alam mo, ibang energy ang binibigay mo dito sa Chill Out Lounge. Palakpakan naman dyan para kay Kirayski. Woo! Yuna! Ikaw na. Bakit? Birthday mo. Ilang taong ka na?
15.
Wow! Talaga?
Kayo po, 16.
Bato na
Ayun
sa
ang
lines.
in-intro. Akala ko pinakabagets eh. Yun na sana gusto kong ano.
Yun lang.
Bakit? Ang sweet mo naman. Bakit? Anong nangyari? Happy birthday.
Yeah.
you,
Thank you so much,
Kung
Ma'am
kailangan
Shasha.
sweet ka pa rin, ha? Kung yung mga tweet mo, ha? Palo. Ito, puro love ang tinitweet, eh. Ano ba?
Oh.
Mami! Saan ba yung mami nito?
Ikaw nga eh.
I'm always in love. Happy birthday, Dolphy. Oh.
Ah.
Ikaw na sweet.
Kami pa rin, oh, di ba?
Yeah.
That's my Papa P, P-doll.
Oh, kami na rin ni Papa P. Oh.
Sige, fine.
Thank you so much, Rizzy. I love you so much. Ayan, guys. Oh, Devon. I'll go. Ate Devon.
Ayun, birthday wish ko for you, stay humble and then stay gorgeous and more
Good, jeez.
Gusto mo ng cupcake, no? Char.
Kaya nga tumitingin ako eh. Hindi.
Uy! Pares kayo ni Melay, ma.
Ayun, and sana
Forever to.
marami pang blessings na dumating sa'yo.
Thank you, ate.
Yay!
Ang
Love you,
saya-saya
Cry.
mag-birthday talaga. Seryoso. O, go. Ate Ann.
Happy birthday and stay sweet and funny and loving and caring and lahat na.
Oh my gosh, I'm the best.
You're the best.
You ready?
Ako pa nagsasabi.
Ikaw na
You
talaga.
ready?
Oh,
Cry.
Ate Trisha.
Happy birthday. Stay young, stay beautiful, stay fresh, everything.
Fresh.
Commercial?
Commercial lang.
Parang wala na makasabi yung mga ibang guests, no? Nasabi nyo na lahat ng birthday wish.
Ayun.
Thank you, guys. Ayan. Nako.
Wait, mag-nose to
Alright.
nose na para tapos na. Dali.
Oo nga.
Ayan.
Before that, guys, please invite once again Brett, James,
Hello.
everyone for your album and for your play.
Yes, please everyone watch Romeo and Juliet sa Santa Mesa Cinema 5 and look out for our album under Star Records, We Are Whatever.
Ayan, may round girl
And-
tayo.
Ayun.
And good vibes
Ay.
every Sunday.
Good vibes every
on
Sunday.
Huwag niyong kalimutan manood ng Good Vibes after Asap Rocks. Kilig vibes, guys!
Yun.
And mula sa puso.
Yun pala.
Sa pagbabalik natin,
Eto
kasama
Kiray,
po natin.
from PBB Teens,
Yes.
dumako naman tayo sa mga singers. Kasama
Oo.
natin si Zia, Kizon, Yen Constantino, and
Tar
Power. Sa magbabalik na.
Thank you. Goodbye.
As up, chill out.
Bye-bye.
Sino
Thank
sabi
you.
good
Chill
vibes?
out.